Hey everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. Today I'm working on Roscoe, the cheap Jeep, and if you guys remember, if you've been following along, I cut these wheel wells way too high, so I took the outer part of the wheel well out, and now I have to go in and do something about it, which I'm fine with because I think the cut and fold looks like butt, especially when people try to do it on rusty sheet metal. So from this outer lip to this flange is about 6 inches. So what I think I'm going to do, I have a 4x4 sheet of 16 gauge here, and I think I'm going to go ahead and make it 8 inches wide and try to make a bit of a flare on here. We'll see how it goes. I can always come back and cut it down later if I want to, but that's what I'm going to get started on now, using my 2 cents cut 50p still. If you've been around the channel for a while, you know I've had this thing for quite a while, about a year now. It's been really good for me. So I'm going to go ahead and I use that piece of angle right there as a straight edge, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to cut two 8-inch wide sheets, 4 feet long, and I'll start from there and we'll go from there. I think I'm going to go ahead and screw it up. I have some tech screws. I'll screw it up and maybe tack it to the outer and see how I like it, and then come back and grind it wherever it needs to be ground and weld it up. And you guys will be around to see that, so I'll be back. Alright, well, the day's pretty much over, but you see what I came up with for now. I have to come through and grind this, equalize it out. I think I'll use some EMT to put a lip on it. I think 1/2-inch EMT can go around the edge there, and the door can still open. It's nice and rigid. I just went in, took the undercoating off, spot welded it in. I have seam sealer on the way. I'm gonna have to do my rockers before I finish weld this, and my 2x6 rectangle tube won't be in until tomorrow, so I need to figure out exactly where all that stands in order to finish this up. And then I still have the little holes here, and on that side by the filler neck, and you can kind of see I came in and spot welded it in a few places inside too. But some seam sealer, some paint, nobody will ever know the difference. I'm not sure that I really like how the flare looks. But if I really decide I don't like it, I can just come in and cut it flush. Or if Melanie speaks up and says she doesn't like it, she can come in and cut it flush. So, I don't know, I'm pretty much going to leave it like that for today. I have to go into work tomorrow and do some testing, so I won't be back at this until Tuesday. And I don't know when you guys will see the videos, because again, every once in a while I get burned out on doing videos, and that's where I'm at right now. But I will keep plugging away at this. Like I said, I had all week off. I have to go in tomorrow. Otherwise, I have the whole week off to work on this. I should have everything I need to finish it up, except for the back brakes. So, yeah, if you guys are into it, stay tuned. And if you're not, oh well, because this is what I'm doing now. So, thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.